Ever wondered how much it might cost to build a house in the sun-soaked landscapes of Spain? Well, that's what we're delving into today. When we talk about the cost of building a house, it's not just about the plot of land or the architectural design. There's a lot more that goes into it. One of the most effective ways to estimate the cost is to break it down per square meter. In Spain, the cost per square meter can vary widely. A multitude of factors come into play. Let's break it down further into some of the key components. First up, labor. The cost of labor in Spain is relatively lower compared to other European nations. Depending on the region and complexity of the construction, labor costs can range from 40 to 60% of the total cost. Next, materials. The choice of materials significantly impacts the total cost. From the bricks and cement to the tiles and fixtures, everything adds up. High-quality materials will, of course, cost more, but they also ensure durability and longevity. Materials usually account for about 30 to 40% of the total cost. Then we have administrative costs, which include permits and licenses. These are mandatory and usually account for around 10% of the total cost. It's important to account for these in the initial budget to avoid any unexpected expenses down the line. Finally, there are the costs related to design and architecture. This includes the cost of hiring an architect, getting the designs approved, and any alterations that might be required during the construction process. This could add another 10 to 15% to the total cost. So, to summarize, building a house in Spain involves several cost components. Labor, being the largest chunk, takes up around 40 to 60%. Materials make up another 30 to 40%. Administrative costs and design-related expenses each account for about 10 to 15%. Remember, these are just average figures. The actual cost can vary depending on a host of factors such as the location of the plot, the complexity of the design, and the choice of materials. Building a house is a significant investment, but with a clear understanding of the costs involved, it can be a rewarding experience. So whether you're dreaming of a rustic villa in the Andalusian countryside or a sleek, modern house on the Costa Blanca, understanding the cost breakdown can help you make informed decisions and plan better for your dream Spanish home. That's all for today. We hope this gives you a clearer picture of what goes into calculating the cost of building a house per square meter in Spain. Happy planning!